Hi, I'm Chrissy from the team at Slack, and I'm going to show you how to set Slack reminders. Setting reminders is a smart way to keep your projects organized. Let's say that you need to follow up on an item at a later date. To set a reminder, just find the message or item that you want to be reminded about, select the triple dots to open the Options menu, and click Remind Me About This. Then set the date, time, and add a reminder description. You can also create a reminder from the Later tab. Click on the Later tab. Then click on the New Reminder button at the top. Choose when and what time you want the reminder and add a description. Hit Save. Finally, you can also schedule a reminder with a shortcut. In any channel or DM, type /remind and select Set Yourself a Reminder. You'll see the same prompt to choose a date, time, and add a description. And that's it. Check out our other videos or visit slack.com/help to learn more. Thanks for watching.